Okay, guys, we're live. It's a very bad storm coming, very windy. Let's see if another gust I can hear the wind. Look at our papaya trees coming down or bending. A lot of trash flying around. I don't see any funnel clouds or anything at this point, but very, very windy. Light drizzle right now. Very windy. Maybe that's over there. Looks very dark. Coming down over there, maybe. Either it's just clouds right here, or that's a funnel cloud. I don't know. Sand blowing around. It's around 6:23 p.m. right now on May the 23rd. Very windy, but I don't see any funnel clouds. Very, very windy. I've never felt it this windy here before. Looking over there to see anything. Feel the air change. The air is nice and cold, mixing with the hot air. It was really about 97 degrees Fahrenheit today, maybe 98, and now this cold air came in, which is a bad mix. Cold and hot air, you get violent storms, tornadoes, that kind of thing. I hear some thunder now. There's lightning.